Driving this thing, it's awesome because you get all the looks and the stares, the waves, the thumbs up. Definitely gets a lot of attention. I always like to be different. Don't like to leave anything stock. The man hours on this vehicle are totally epic. It's taken me about 20 years to customize the truck to the state that it's in today.
This is Steve, the proud owner and creator of this epic 8-wheel truck.
I'm Steve Francis, the owner and builder of the Isuzu triple axle 8-wheel truck. The actual length of the truck is from bumper to tailgate is 21 feet. The motor and transmission are out of a 78 Chevy truck. It's got a 3-inch body drop. It's got a V8 with 700 R4 transmission, suicide doors. All body lines and moldings were shaved. I used the truck for just for fun.
This truck might be a lot of fun for Steve to drive now, but it started out as something much less exciting.
Originally, this was a 1989 Isuzu truck, 4-cylinder, 2.6. Started out just as a weekend vehicle. The first thing, of course, was to lower it. Of course, wheels. You gotta have a nice set of custom wheels. Then I started going to car shows. It's a lot harder to get noticed and to be different, and so I always struggled with that. And I think I've managed to do that now with having 8 wheels on a truck. All right, we're going to point out some of the features. The firewall was completely shaved. The frame is completely painted to color match. The mirrors here are from a motorcycle. We didn't want any big bulky mirror or whatever. We just tried to go with the theme of kind of a street rod look. There's a lot of people ask questions about these. This is a factory window. We've also incorporated 2 32-inch flat screen TVs. We wanted to keep everything just kind of neat and clean. So the battery is actually mounted up here in the front of this box here.
And the truck doesn't just drive around looking cool as hell. It's also picked up numerous accolades.
These are some of our favorite awards. We couldn't keep them all in the house. The electric guitar's custom painted for best truck. Another different trophy is the homemade light down here at the bottom.
But the best thing for Steve isn't kicking back and watching TV on the flat screen. It's the pure pleasure of driving it.
Driving this thing, it's awesome because you get all the looks and the stares, the waves, the thumbs up. Definitely gets a lot of attention. The actual drive of it rides really good because it is on 6 airbags. And it's about like driving a limo, so you have to remember that you've got a lot swinging around behind you, and you have to really look for obstacles that you might hit when you're swinging around.
Having taken 20 years to create such an awe-inspiring vehicle, it must have been expensive. Right, Steve?
I'm going to plead the fifth on that one because my wife will see this video, and I don't think she would really be happy with how much it's cost me to build this truck.